This is an interesting solution that I came up with for holding down a large piece of flat stock, in this case aluminum that's about 40 inches long, that wouldn't fit inside the capacity of the vise without removing the vises from the table. These are Gerardi brand vises, and they're kind of a modular style vise, so the jaws just slide out the back. And then it leaves you with this T-slot here, which I made some T-nuts out of aluminum, or you could use steel, that a regular 1/2 inch threaded rod that comes with these standard clamps screws into. So that gives me a modular clamping surface without having to remove and recalibrate the vises each time I want to clamp something down that's larger than the capacity of the vises themselves. Here's a T-nut, just a block of aluminum. I only machined a step here because the original aluminum was too thick to fit inside this space down here. So you could use thicker aluminum to make it stronger. This thickness, which is about a 1/2 inch, appears to be plenty strong for clamping. The dimensions of this T-nut are 56 wide, 46 long, and then the critical thickness to fit inside the vise is 11.32. This is 12.81, about a 1/2 inch thick material. This won't fit in the slots of the vise, so it needs to be milled down to about 11.34. And then drill it and tap it to whatever size threaded rod or bolt that you used for hold down clamps. These T-nuts can slide to any position in the vise, so it allows you to clamp down different size objects. You can also use these very convenient quick adjust clamps